How to make a passport-size photo using any image in Canva. First, click on Custom Size. Choose your country's passport size. Click on Upload and add your image to the design. Click on Edit Image, then BG Remover. Now, click on File. Then, click on Settings and enable the Show Margin option. Similarly, enable the Print Bleed option. Next, click on Element. Add a square shape. Change the border weight to 0.5 pixels. Make the color transparent. Now we put this border just inside the print bleed. Send it to backward. Select your photo, adjust its size, keep the photo inside the border. Crop the extra part which is outside of the border. Now, you should disable the margin and print bleed option to get the final result. Here, we have changed the background color to off-white. Your passport photo is ready. You can download it in JPG or PNG format. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.